Hi, Beauty Store. This is Mark from Purple Pepper Commerce, and I am a project associate here in the company. And today I wanted to show you where your product ranks currently in Amazon search algorithm. And yeah, we're gonna review specifically this product here, which is a teeth whitening kit. So what I did is pull up your ASIN here in Cerebro. And you can actually see that here in the keyword distribution part, you're ranking for 1,925 keywords. So that's actually a good start, because it means that your product is selling well, that is a good product and all that stuff. But how we can actually increase those numbers. We have 4 SEO phases here in the company that has been strategically proven to all of our clients. So if you need help with that, we'll be more than happy to do so. Plus, we've also noticed that you're not running that much ad. Typically, we wanted to see a 1:2 ratio in here. So that means for every one paid keyword, you should have 2 organic ranking keyword, but you are underspending your money in ads, which is likely to leave a lot of money on the table. So if you need help with ads too, we'll be more than happy to do so. Okay. But yeah, anyways, the few things that you can work on your um, product right here is the crawlable text. So for each banner, you can actually add a crawlable text right here. That's actually a good part that you can add as well because it'll help you index for more keywords. You can infuse a lot in there. All right. And another thing is the alt text. I've noticed that you're just using a naming convention for each of them. So, hmm, what if we take advantage of the 100 character for each banner, and instead of just doing a naming convention, add more keywords in there. Do a keyword research. If you have a keyword list, that's perfect. Just make sure you take advantage of these spaces because Amazon's giving us a lot of space to put keywords to, and yeah, do that. It's free. But I think that's all. If ever you wanted to discuss it further or you need help in managing your Amazon store or anything related to Amazon at all, you just have to go to our website, which is purplepeppercommerce.com. Click the Let's Talk button in here and fill this one out. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. And yeah, I actually hope to see you there. Once again, this is Mel, and you have a good one. Bye bye for now.